In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Hubspot. Hubspot is a powerful platform for managing your marketing, sales, and customer relationships, while Zapier is an automation tool that helps connect different apps and services. By integrating these two, you can automate workflows, save time, and streamline your processes. Whether you're looking to sync data across platforms or trigger actions automatically, this tutorial will guide you step by step. If you don't already have a Hubspot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account. Now, if you're new to HubSpot and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before you can proceed. It only takes a few minutes and you'll be ready to follow along right after. Once you're logged in, locate the Marketplace icon in HubSpot's main navigation menu. This is where you can browse and discover all the available integrations and tools to enhance your HubSpot experience. Click on the Marketplace icon, and it will take you directly to HubSpot's Marketplace. Next, in the Marketplace, click on the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the applications you can connect with HubSpot. To make things easier, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Zapier and hit Enter. This is faster than scrolling through the full list of apps and ensures you find the exact app you're looking for right away. From the search results, click on the Zapier App. This will take you to the Zapier App page, where you can learn more about what the integration offers. Once you're on this page, look for the Install App button and click it. At this point, HubSpot will guide you through the installation process. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These steps typically involve granting permissions and confirming the connection between your HubSpot account and Zapier. Don't worry, this is completely secure, and it allows the two platforms to communicate with each other seamlessly. Once the installation is complete, it's important to verify that the integration is fully functional. You can do this by testing a simple workflow or checking that Zapier is listed under your connected apps in HubSpot. This final step ensures everything is set up correctly and ready to use. And that's how you integrate Zapier with HubSpot. With this setup, you can now automate tasks and create a smoother workflow between the two platforms. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.